bugs. Good morning. It is 8:41 a.m. and it's Thursday. We are on our way to the doctor's appointment right now. I haven't ate anything and I'm like starving, but I don't want to eat because I think they're gonna take like, what is it, like the diabetes test or something on me, and you're not supposed to eat anything because they're gonna give me like this really sugary drink and then they're gonna give me like a shot or take my blood or something, right? Or prick my fingers, something. I don't know. They're gonna do something and it's gonna see if I have like diabetes or something like that. I don't really know. I just know I can't eat. So that's my dilemma today. And I think we're gonna get a sonogram. We're gonna see her, see how everything's going, see how big she is. We haven't seen her in like what, like 3 months, right?
Forever.
Yeah, like it literally feels like forever. Like the last time we saw her was when we found out the gender. So yeah, like 3 months.
Dang, that was the last time?
Yeah. A little update. She has been moving a lot. And her kicks, like at first it was cute. It was like, oh, you know, like I can feel her moving. And now it's like she's kicking the shit out of my ribs, my bladder, my back, everything. Like it hurts. And she is just in there and it's just too crowded for her. She's ready to come out. So
She be
yeah.
kicking. That's my little girl.
Yeah, like especially when I lay down next to him at night, like she goes crazy. Like they'll even start playing together while I'm trying to sleep. Like I'll be trying to sleep and he'll have his hand on my stomach and she'll start kicking his hand. So he'll move his hand all around my stomach and she'll like follow him. It's the craziest thing. But yeah, so we're on our way to the doctor. I have pregnancy face on like 100. Last time they weighed me, I was 142, so we'll see. I think I was like 120 something when I got pregnant, so I've gained about 20 pounds since being. Can you see?
Let me see. My baby from the side.
Okay. Did you put the timer on?
No.
I have okay, so I have 5 minutes to finish this. Let me see. Gotta put the timer on. I'm gonna drink it. I just know it's gonna be nasty.
What is it?
Kind of smells like Sunkist. Or am I tripping?
It's like Sprite and Sunkist mix.
Oh, it's not bad. It smells like, it tastes like watered down Sunkist, kind of. I used to be able to chug Angry Orchard faster than this.
Wow.
I can feel it right here. We get to see you today.
Good. It's been 3 months.
We get to see you. See how
3
big you're
long
getting.
months. Haven't seen her. Didn't know where she was last time we saw her.
Yeah. Now we know you're a little princess in there. I knew it. I just knew it. Mother's instincts. We're about to see our little girl.
She's gonna be right here.
How
on
big
the
do you think
screen.
she's gonna be? Do you think we'll really be able to like see her facial features now?
That's for like the 3D or 4D sonogram things, man.
No, because our last picture of the sonogram, you could see her lips and her nose. I think she has your nose.
I have a great nose.
Yeah. Nathan's always bragging about his nose is so much cuter than mine, so I guess it's fitting that your daughter would have your nose. I hope she has your eyelashes too.
I hope she looks just like me.
No! She needs to look like me, but have like the good parts, like your eyelashes, your nose. She needs to have my lips. She can't have your lips, babe. I'm sorry.
Okay, whatever.
You need some carbonation. So let's see what this baby looks like. It's big,
I know, she's big now, huh?
small.
Little face?
And my other patient goes, so what does it look like in 3D? I said, I don't know.
Oh my gosh, look at her!
That almost looks like 3D.
Oh my gosh. That's so crazy. So that's her little nose right there and then the eyes.
Yeah.
you see the tip of her nose.
Yes.
Because it's two-dimensional, you
Yeah.
can't see anything else. So if you come in and focus on the face, and the nose gets blurry.
Yeah.
So basically, you gotta take your pick.
Yeah, right
You
there.
can choose what you see.
Oh my gosh. I think she is gonna have your nose, babe. Look at her little cheeks. Those are her little cheeks right there. She has little chubby
Looks
cheeks.
like she got mama's cheeks.
Yeah.
She's gonna have mama's smile.
I told you. I told you. This is her head. It's kind of better to look at it like that. This is her head, her eyes. You can't really see her nose because the picture's in 2D instead of 3D, so it makes it flat. And then her lips and her little cheeks on the side. She's definitely having my cheeks. I'm so excited. We need to get a 3D picture of her now.
I know. When can we go?
I think we can do it now. I'm already 30 weeks, right? I mean, she still has some developing to do, but I think, like, facial features, she's all there.
What's up?
We have to wait here until we have 24 minutes left.
Yeah. They said that since she's doing that diabetes thing, right? The juice hour thingy, McBarber, she has to wait for an hour, so we got...
And I haven't ate anything.
I don't either. We got 20 minutes left, so we're just in the car chilling, just talking, reminiscing.
I can't believe our little girl's this big, guys. You remember when we first announced it? She was just her whole body fit in the sonogram.
Remember when she had her little legs crossed over?
Yeah, she was in there chilling, and now look at her.
See, she's out here reminiscing on the old times. Whenever she was like, what, 100 pounds?
Yeah.
And
She's 3 pounds inside me.
I'm talking about you.
No, I'm trying to do the math. She's 3 pounds inside me.
You weigh 142, right?
Yeah. So I've gained 20 pounds since being pregnant. 3 pounds is her. And what? How much is water weight?
All in all, it's just how much did you gain?
I've gained 22 pounds.
Okay.
Wasn't I 120 when I first got pregnant? We need to look back.
I thought you were like 115.
Was I? We need to look back.
We'll see. Brittany just threw everything off.
No, I didn't. I think I was 120.
Pregnancy brain. The symptoms are real.
They are.
I'm gonna be a daddy again. I'm gonna be a daddy again. I'm gonna be a daddy. This angle makes my chin look stupid long. Banana chin.
Crimson chin.
Okay, what's up with that laugh?
Look at this pregnancy face. Like, my whole face is so, like, round now. I used to be like... No, I wasn't like that. I was like... I don't know. I was skinnier, though.
Crimson chin.
Now I'm just, like, a little, like, oompa loompa.
Oompa.
Nathan calls me a bowling ball, guys.
Small little bowling ball.
It's hard for me to get out of bed sometimes.
We gotta roll her out of bed. It's like a big old beach ball. We just gotta roll it.
So we are on our way to the doctor's for another appointment. Fun. Hopefully we get to see her. I think we went... When was the last time we went? Like 2 weeks ago? Yeah, now they're like 2 weeks. It was once a month, and now it's starting to be like every 2 weeks. But we didn't get to see her in our last one. It was just really like a little checkup. We were in and out in like 5 minutes, and now we are here. So we didn't vlog that one, that we were like in and out real quick. But now we're on our way. Hopefully we get to see her. I'm kind of gonna discuss like what our plan is, like what I would like to happen when we, you know, go to the hospital and all that stuff, because it's only 4 weeks away. She's only 4 weeks away. And yeah, I actually just noticed this is probably the first time ever I'm wearing makeup to the doctor's appointment. They're probably not even gonna recognize me. They're gonna be like, who is this girl? Because I'm always going looking rough, because normally the appointments are like at 8 a.m. and I'm not gonna wake up extra early just to get ready. So yeah, this is the first time they're gonna see me glammed. So we'll see their reaction. But I don't know what's gonna happen. Hopefully we get a sonogram. Hopefully, you know, he lets us know what the plan is, what the little plan is for this little girl. Is that ring? Are you excited?
I'm always excited.
Excited.
Always. I'm so excited.
makeup cannot hide this pregnancy face. It's here. It's here.
Oh hush. Oh hush. I'm hungry though. Like,
I am too.
I'm starving, and then I gotta shoot the video after this.
Mm-hmm.
I need to eat, or else.
He'll get grouchy.
Mm-hmm.
He'll get real grouchy.
All right, we just pulled up, guys.
We're here.
Look at that gorgeous little thing. Pretty little thing. Let me see my baby.
Little baby.
Beauty.
So we're not gonna get a sonogram today. It's just a little checkup again. But she said the next visit should be a sonogram. And the next visit, if we're doing it 2 weeks, then that would mean that the baby was gonna be there in 2 weeks after our next visit, right? So I wonder if he's still gonna do it 2 weeks or if he's gonna do it a week. Cause some people have their babies early.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know.
It's just, I'm gonna do it. You
Okay.
don't have to do anything before it's like getting in the stirrups. I don't have to put anything in.
Oh, okay.
I just go in vaginally, swab, and
All right, so she thought it was a checkup, but we just got the news that they're about to swipe in her vagina. Her hoo-ha.
Yeah.
Her
Like
cooter.
what?
Her cooter.
I'm terrified.
I'm about to be like, hey, in the background.
Shut up.
So she's taking her clothes off right now.
Nobody prepares you for all of this, you know?
She thought it was just a checkup. Checking up on that cooter.
Okay.
Checking up on that. All right, reaction?
It's weird. No, but she did it. She did it really fast. She was like, doop, doop. That's so crazy. I'm not gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do when I have to give birth and be like spread eagle in front of everybody. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I have another appointment in 2 weeks, and then after that, I have an appointment a week later. The one in 2 weeks is just gonna be another checkup for height, measurements, all of that, her checking on her heartbeat. And then the one a week after that, which will be technically in 3 weeks, is the sonogram one, and seeing like how big she's gonna be when I deliver and stuff like that, which I think is really cool. So I'm really excited. Actually, the appointment in 3 weeks will be our last doctor's appointment.
Is it? Oh,
Yeah,
it is,
because the week after that is I'm gonna deliver on the 17th.
I mean, it's not gonna be on the 17th. I
Yeah.
don't think.
You don't
but
think so?
I don't think people's due dates are ever accurate.
I thought
It's just
maybe.
a time span from, that's just the range of days it could possibly fall on.
Yeah. I thought I was gonna deliver early, but the way he was talking, he was like that everything's like on schedule. Like everything, like she's growing at a great pace, she's good height, like everything's kind of on schedule, but we'll see what this little girl decides, because it's up to her. But talking to him, I felt a lot more comfortable with like where we're at. We didn't film it, but I was asking him a bunch of questions like epidural wise, what he recommends, what he suggests, what's gonna happen when we get there to the hospital. He said I can have 3 people in the room with me.
They said, so I don't get to film a whole lot at the appointments and stuff because I can't have like the staff, their faces and stuff shown, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
And she asked about at the actual hospital, and we're not gonna be able to film that either.
Yeah.
But what I'm gonna do is kind of film like before the whole
Yeah.
birth and then after the birth, obviously. So at least you guys.
But
can
I
see
don't
that.
understand. I don't know. I feel like we'll have to talk to the hospital because Colleen, the YouTuber, she filmed in her hospital room and everything like that. And the Ace family, they filmed in their hospital room and everything. So I don't understand. Maybe he thinks we're talking about like an actual video camera. Like maybe they don't want to.
I'm not gonna record your vagina or the baby coming
yeah,
out, but I want to
obviously.
record like you.
Yeah.
Like your reaction and how. I just want to record the whole screaming.
Yeah.
Like I want.
Shut up.